Subscribe and click the bell icon for the latest updates and notifications from the Indian Express.
Samsung has launched its Galaxy S10 series in San Francisco today. But instead of the two devices we are used to with the annual S series update, this time Samsung has lined up three devices. The Samsung Galaxy S10 will cater to regular users, while the S10 Plus will be aimed at those who want a larger phone. The S10e, on the other hand, is a lower spec phone aimed at those who need a smaller device but on a budget. Samsung might be hoping that this phone will help it shore up a lot of sales. The S10 has a 6.1-inch Quad HD Plus curved dynamic AMOLED, while in the S10 Plus the screen is 6.4 inches. This will be the first Samsung phones with on-screen fingerprint scanners. The S10 and the S10 Plus both come with 5 cameras, 3 in the rear and 2 in the front. Both sides offer wide-angle cameras with great results. The rear camera configurations are the same on both phones: telephoto and wide-angle in 12MP and an ultra-wide-angle with 16 megapixels. The S10 Plus, however, has a dual camera combo up front also, with an extra 8MP RGB wide angle along with the 10MP selfie camera. The S10 Plus also comes with a 12GB RAM version and has a larger 4100 mAh battery compared to the 3400 mAh on the S10. The S10e is smaller with a 5.8-inch Full HD Plus flat dynamic AMOLED. It has a dual camera setup in the rear with no telephoto option. Available in 6 and 8GB options, this phone has a 3100 mAh battery. All phones will have the same octa-core processor. The S series will be available for pre-booking in February and will start selling in March.